I'm Aishwarya. I'm in the second year of a fellowship that I'm doing with Teach for India, and I teach at a community called Pulianthope, which is in North Madras. I work with around 60 fourth graders, and we're collaborating with CPB Prism for a really exciting project that we've conceptualized for our kids with respect to art education. We're going to be upskilling them in photography and story writing. And I'm really looking forward to it because I know that my kids are really driven to do something like this. They've been looking forward to this project for a really, really long time. For me, it's all about representation, for them to be able to represent themselves and their community, because I know that the community that we are at over here has a certain perception, and I think art is no end. I think it's just merely a means to self-realization. I really want them to be able to cultivate their own identity and realize it, and I really hope that this project is going to be helpful. We've also launched a fundraiser for our project. Please do support us in any way you can. Thank you.